So as a fourth generation Floridian, I grew up running barefoot under a canopy of longleaf pines. And my grandfather instilled an ethic of conservation in me. And he took my brother and I on these walks through Florida woods and taught us that we could explore but leave no trace. And unfortunately today, those woods are office buildings. And Florida's plants and animals know the story all too well. Much of their habitat has been developed. And when I became of age where I could purchase my first property, I really wanted to change that. I deeply desired to see birds, butterflies, and more when I opened my front door each morning. So through the years, I learned how to garden with native plants specifically because they benefit Florida's wildlife. And I was met with questions like, what plants are even native to this region? And even more, how do I design that garden in a way that's aesthetically pleasing to people when they visit? And through my years of gardening, I developed a 5-step framework that allowed me to resolve this confusion. And this led me to create Dweller's Place. And now I'm helping Floridians, whether it's through in-person consultations, designs, or custom turnkey native garden installations, transform their property into a powerful source of good for all the little lives around them.